Hello friends, welcome to certificationdude.com. Today I have come with a big opportunity from AWS. AWS has launched a new event where you can learn artificial intelligence machine learning skill at free of cost. There will be 20 plus sessions and you can learn a lot of new skills, so everyone should grab this opportunity. It's an online conference. You can attend from laptop, PC, mobile or any other device. If you like this type of video and wants to get more video like this, please at first subscribe this channel and click the bell icon and give a like, comment below if you have any query. I will try to answer your query and share with your friends. This event link will be given in the description. This is AWS official homepage. You can see this event name is Amazon AI Conclave. Intel is collaborated with AWS in this program. You can see 20 plus session. You can learn new different skills by this 20 plus session. In Ask the Expert, you can ask your question to AWS expert in live session. You will get certificate of attendance. You can share this certificate like LinkedIn and any other social media. Normally you have to attend 5 or more sessions to get a certificate of attendance here, but this is not mentioned in this homepage. So you have to attend the whole session to get a certificate. This event will held in 21st December from 10 to 5 p.m. The session will be start at 10 a.m. IST Indian Standard Time. You can Google this time zone according to your country. Here you can learn artificial intelligence machine learning. You will meet industry leaders. Deep dive session on artificial intelligence and machine learning will be held. Talking about who should attend. Data scientists, developers, or artificial intelligence or machine learning practitioners all can attend here who are curious about artificial intelligence and machine learning. You can see some FAQ session. This session will be held in English language. No pricing. This is completely free. It will be hosted online. Agenda, what skill you will get, you can go through. These are the speakers. To register, click register. This page will open. Put your first name, last name, select your country, postal code. Add just one phone number, mobile number is not required. If you are a student, select student, or if you are from any industry, then select business. In job title, put student. In company name, you can put your educational institute name. In industry, I select education. In company size, you can put any. Level of uses, you can select any. Use case, I select artificial intelligence and machine learning. Put your email, password and check these two boxes and check receive information on AWS. Select I am not robot and click register. This page will open. Here you have to verify your email. After verification, you will see this type of email. I have already verified my email. From here, you can participate this online session by logging. So this is for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share and most importantly, please subscribe this channel to get more certification related update like this. Thank you all.